ನಾವ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ ಈಗಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮಾತ್ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ. Yes, there are some times when you need to be strict. You can't let everybody sit on your head. So strictness in the sense, if you get the message across, for example, just an example, a particular teacher has to submit maybe a lesson plan on XYZ day, and I need to make it clear to her or him that this has to be done by this day for a particular reason. If you reason out with the person, and if you are fairly, uh, you know, not lenient, but if you are fairly okay with that person, without losing my temper or without shouting and ranting and raving, there is no need to do all that actually. As a leader, you just need not do it, but firmly correct them, and correct them personal, one to one. One of the way is that, yeah, those teachers, yes, they since they reached out, I was fascinated by the way they did things, and I wanted to become a teacher. But then I was interested in a lot of other things as well. So my mother was a little, nowadays teachers are not so respected, so
ಹ್ಮ್.
look at something else, see about some other career ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
ನಾನು ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ದು ಗ್ಯಾದರಿಂಗ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. ಒಂದು ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಗಳ ಸುರಿಮಳೆ. ನಾನು ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಂತು ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರಿಟಿ ಬಂದ್ರಾ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆಯವರೆಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ತರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಏನು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಕಣ್ ತೆಗೆದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಬಂದ್ರು. ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಬಂದು ನನ್ನ ವಿಚಾರ ನಂಗೆ ಥಾಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂತು, ಯಾವ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಯಾವ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವರು ಏನ್ ಆ ಥರದ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಅವಾಗ ನಾನು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ಇದರ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ಸು, ಇದರ ಅವರು ಮಾಡುವ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಂದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಟೀಚರ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ಗಳು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ. ಅವರು ಅನೂಪಾ ಕೌಶಿಕ್, ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಅಟ್ KLE ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಗೋಕಾಕ್. ಇವರ ಅವರ ಅವ್ರ ಕಣ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಸ್ತು, ಅವ್ರ ಅವ್ರ ದ ವೇ ದೇ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್, ಅವ್ರ ಡೇ ಇನ್ ಡೇ ಔಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್, ಹೇಗೆ ಒಂದು 600-700 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರೋ ಶಾಲೆಯನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ನಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ರು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಅವರು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಫೇವರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ತರದ ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳದೆ ಅಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಅವ್ರ ಸಣ್ಣ ಹುಡುಗರು ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಪ್ರೋಚಬಲ್ಲು. ಆ ತರದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಿಮಗೂ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಿಂದ ಬಹಳ ಕಲಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮೀ ಅಂಡ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಅನೂಪಾ ಕೌಶಿಕ್, ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಅಟ್ KLE ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಗೋಕಾಕ್. ಓಕೆ ಮೇಡಮ್, without much delay,
Yeah.
I will bring your introduction later, but I am excited to know more. ಇದು ದ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್, ನಾನು ನೋಡಿರೋ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್. ಹೌ ಡು ಯು, ಇದು ಫೈನ್ ಲೈನ್. ಈಗಿನ ಯಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಮೊದಲು ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಟು ಒಬೆ. ನಾವು ಈಗಿನ ಹುಡುಗರು ದೇ ಟೇಕ್ ದೇರ್ ಓನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟು ಒಬೆ. ನೀವು
ಹೌದು.
ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಯು ದಿಸ್, ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್.
ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಪೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಬಹಳ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಗಾಡ್ಸ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್. ನನಗೆ ಇರುವುದು ಗಾಡ್ಸ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟೇನೆ ಅದು. ನಾವ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ ಈಗಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮಾತ್ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾವು ಡೀಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ, ಆ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಬಹಳ ಸಲ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ರೀಚ್ ಔಟ್ ಟು ದೆಮ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವೇ ದೇ ವಾಂಟ್. ಈಗ ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ಮಗು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇರ್ತದ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ದೇರ್ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ಪ್ಷನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ದೇರ್ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ದೇರ್ ಪರ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಅದು ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಅದು ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ, ನಾವು ಹಾಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ದಟ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ಫಿಯರ್. ಯಾವುದು ಬೈಬೇಕಂತೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಡದನೆ ಕಲಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಯೂಶಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ ಬಡಿಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಇವನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ಗಾದೆ ಮಾತ್ ಸಹಿತ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಪರ್ಸನಲಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಬಡಿಯೋದು ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವೇ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್, ದೇರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ನೋ ಫಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್. ಫಿಯರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ keeps you, you know, away from so many things you can do. It doesn't help you to express yourself when you have a fear. ಟೀಚರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂಜಿಕೆ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು, ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಒಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂಜಿಕೆ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಆ ಅಂಜಿಕೆ ಇಲ್ದಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನಾವು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು, ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೀಚ್ ಔಟ್ ಟು ದೆಮ್ ವಿದೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ಮೆಜರ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ವುಡ್ ಹರ್ಟ್. ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್, ಒನ್ ಆರ್ ಟು ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಆಸ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಆಸ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ, one step more we have to go. We have to know each child. For example, I'll give you a very small example. When in the mornings, when the ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಬರುವಾಗ, ಒಳಗ್ ಬರುವಾಗ, ನನಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮಗುದ್ ಏನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಏನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಆ ಮನಿ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಿದೆ, ಯೂಶಲಿ ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಇನ್ ಟಚ್ ವೆನ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ದ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಪಾಸಸ್ ಮೀ, ಇಫ್ ಐ ಸೆಡ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ಹೆಂಗಿದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆರಾಮಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಆರ್ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಸಂಡೇ ಇತ್ತು, ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಯೋರ್ ಗಿಟಾರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಯೋರ್ ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್? ಸಿ, it's a small thing. For me, it takes like less than a fraction of a minute. But for the child, it makes a huge difference. ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನನ್ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಇದು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು, ಅದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಖುಷಿ. ನಾನದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಖುಷಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲಿ ಟು ಮೀ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಫೀಲ್ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ರೀಚ್ ಔಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್, ವಿ ರಿಯಲಿ ಮೇಕ್ ಅ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಲೈಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಕರಿಕ್ಯುಲಮ್. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಟಚ್ ದೇರ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್.
ಓ ಮೈ ಗಾಡ್, ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇವನ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ನೌ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡನ್. ಲೈಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್, ದಾಟ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಯು ಹಿಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಹೆಡ್ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಆ ತರ. ಸಿ, ಅದ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಲೈಕ್, ಅಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ನೀವು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ then that makes me personally see why I am reaching out. There are so many people. You made me feel that as well. Adu, I think it's a golden nugget anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು, because ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೇನೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ತಗೊಂಡು, ಯು ಮೈಟ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಟೀಚರ್, ಯು ಮೈಟ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್, ಯು ಮೈಟ್ ಬಿ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಈವನ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಈಗ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ರು ಟಯರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆನ್ ಅವರ್ ಫೋನ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಐ ಮೈ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್. ನಾನು IT ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್, ಐ ಮೈಟ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ನೀವು ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ನಂಗೆ ಲೀವ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, I should be in a position to ask, okay, you took off on that day, was that everything okay? Then I have more trust.
Yes, absolutely. The trust and that bonding comes, which I think is very important. Once you create that bond, then you can communicate so much better. The person likes to listen to you and follow you. In our school, I've never had to use any, in inverted commas, disciplinary measures usually. So without that, children give me perfect respect. Naan ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಂತಿಲ್ಲ. I used to make it a point, because we have CBSE schools, we have school in April, and April we have our first shower. ಅದು ಅಡ್ಡ ಮಳೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರ್ತದಲ್ಲ. I made it a point every year. ಅಡ್ಡ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ, I used to, on the public address system, I used to announce, all of you come out of your classes, and we all used to play in the rain. I never thought it would make such a difference in their lives. But children who have passed out and today who are into careers and all that, they remember it so beautifully, and they say no other school could have ever dreamt of these things. So we used to play in the rain, and then we used to put on music, and everybody, the teacher, the children, all of us used to dance in the first rain. And I used to tell them, ಈ ಮಳೆ ಒಳಗ ನೀವು ಆಟ ಆಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಜ್ವರ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ ನೆಗಡಿ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಿದ್ದೆ. The first year, our parents were a little apprehensive. So ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹಸಿ ತೋರ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ. From that next year onwards, everybody was absolutely cool with it. So small things go a long way.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದಿನಲ್ಲ, ದ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ನೀವು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು, ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಸಿ, ಈಗ ಅವ್ರೆಲ್ಲೋ ಹೋಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. whenever that first train hits, they remember you and they remember the moment. You are creating the memories. ಇದನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, you went to, these were my next question. That's the other thing. You are also known for celebrations. See, it's not that okay, teacher ಮುಗಿದ್ರು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ನಮ್ ಕಡೆ, ನಮ್ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಅಥವಾ ಇದು, we know forcing people, we don't take time to celebrate. ಯಾರೇ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಆಯ್ತಾ, then you are jumping to the other one. 10th 7th ಮುಗಿತಾ, 8th ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ, 10th ಮುಗಿತಾ, 11th. ನೀವು personally, I was talking to my ವಿಜಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ, ಇವರು ಅನುಪಮ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೊಂಟಾರ, ಹಂಗಿಂಗ್. So I want to add that value. That was my later question, but as we came to this one, I want to see what what is that you want to bring in there as well. Equationally,
Uh,
celebration as a thing.
yes, because I I personally feel every child, especially, deserves to be appreciated and deserves to celebrate his or her very existence. And especially children during the year, they have a lot of pressure, whether it is academics or whether it is whatever, their homework, this, that. So, yavagare now avrige, we need to allow them to be on their own totally without any hassles, without any time frames, without any, whatever it is. And even small other celebrations, that was, yeah, picnic is one thing, was to always take children out and used to take them out on field trips and things like that. Even small things, whenever they win prizes somewhere else, uh, the children, when they go for sports outside, they go for these scouts and guides activities outside, when they come back, just a little appreciation ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಸೆಂಬ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಕರೆಯೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಡೀ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಸೋದು, ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಏನಾರೆ ಹೇಳಿಸೋದು, ಸಿ ಹೌ ವಾಸ್ ಯರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್, how was your experience in the national level, you went to Varanasi, how was the food there, small things. When they tell the whole school, they also feel very proud about it. And basically, I think these things are small moments. If we think they're small moments, but for those kids, they are moments that they will cherish all their lives. So a little bit, I'm personally a person who loves to celebrate anything and everything in life. Even in my family, or on my personal level also, I love to celebrate whatever small little achievement. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಿ ಒಳಗ ಏನಾರ ಒಂದು ಹೂ ಅರಳಿ ಅದು ಚಂದ ಅನ್ಸಿದ್ರನು ವಿ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್, it's as much as that. So that's how it is, because see, life is short after all, and I mean, the whole world's weight is not on your hand. So just relax and have a good time, and appreciate everything, because when you celebrate, you tend to appreciate and probably a triumph or a win or a incident or something like that, and it goes a long way.
Oh, absolutely. There, like, ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ I'm making some notes. It will be definitely a lot of things that I need to implement as well. ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ like small thing as a ಹೂ ಇದರಿಂದ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅದು ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ, and that use them okay, they are just not looking for another thing.
That's
uh,
right. That's right.
it's something that I have completed well also is a thing. Okay, result is
Yes.
secondary, but completed, reached the end of it,
Correct.
reached out of control. Amazing, amazing. A few more things, madam, before I
Yeah.
go for other questions. I want to know about little more about your background, which I don't know as well. ನೀವು ಬೆಳೆದ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಅಥವಾ what makes you as a person like this? Is there somebody who impacted you ಆ ತರದ್ದು, or somebody in your family or in your life?
Oh, yes. See, I grew up in Kerala. My father was working in Kerala. We grew up there, and I finished my education in Kerala. Alle, I had a teacher in the school who taught me Hindi, and there was another. We went to these missionary schools there. I had a nun who taught us English, and this teacher who taught me Hindi. I liked the way they used to handle us, the way they used to encourage us with the languages, allow us to write, read on our own, appreciate whenever we wrote something. I remember when I wrote an essay about, the teacher had told us, write about your life 20 years hence. And I was in class 6, if I remember right. And I had written the essay about 20 years from then, how life would change. There'll be so much traffic on the roads, and there'll be so much of, people, population will be so much. So we will have something like, I didn't exactly say hovercraft or something like that, but I imagine that there'll be flying things, and we'll be occupying the air more than the roads. And people will be so busy with their lives, they will not have the time to buy vegetables, cook food, and eat. Everybody will end up popping in a multivitamin tablet and just going to work or going to school or something like that. And my teacher was amazed. She said, my God, just in 20, fortunately, thank God it didn't happen in 20 years. I'm still more than 45 years now. But yeah, those teachers, yes, they, since they reached out, I was fascinated by the way they did things. And I wanted to become a teacher. But then I was interested in a lot of other things as well. So my mother was a little, nowadays teachers are not so respected. So
ಹ್ಮ್.
look at something else, see about some other career ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ನಾನು ಎಂ ಎ ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಮುಂಬೈಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ದಿ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು NGO ಇದೆ, ವಿಚ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ವಿತ್ ದೆಮ್, during which I used to have contact with schools. And every time I went to a school, I still had that, I should have become a teacher, kind of thing. Amele, I got an opportunity to work as a PRO in a school. I was not in the teaching side, but I was a PRO there. Alle ನನಗೆ administration ಬಗ್ಗೆ school ಹೆಂಗ್ run ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ, and whenever teacher was absent, I used to say, let me go and take that class. At that point of time, the school was it was just coming up. It was only up to class 4. So I used to go and take that class. So that teacher, this thing was always in me. But ಅವಾಗ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಮದುವೆ ಆಗಿ I came to Gokak. Um, and Gokak was a very, very small place at that time. So there was no job opportunities as such. So then I started working with my husband in the laboratory. We have a laboratory, and he taught me all the chemical tests and things like blood sugars and making a slide. And since I was a science student, I picked that up very quickly, and I worked with him. After my baby came, and when she was 2.5 years old, there was no school here. There was no nursery school concept here.
ಹೌದು.
So I said, why not start at home? My husband said, why don't you just try at home if you're so interested in becoming a teacher? So I started a nursery school with just 7 children. All of them were our friends' children.
Mhm.
And then it grew and grew and grew and grew. And then things just went off, and I loved it.
ವಾವ್, ಅಮೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಜರ್ನಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇರಳದಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ನರ್ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಟೀಚರ್, ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್
Yes.
ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಗೋಕಾಕ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್
True.
a long journey. And
Yes.
one thing I notice here is ನಿಮ್ದೇನು important inner calling ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, you never gave that up, and then
I didn't. Yes.
you kept going towards that. And I think over the time we forget, okay, some pressures make us to go different path. And when we go, I mean, my learning also is when we try and do that, avaga it doesn't even feel like a work.
Correct.
ಅವಾಗ
Exactly.
ಸರಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಸ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಇಟ್. ನೀವು ಬೇರೆಯವರು 10 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು 8 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ಇರ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವನ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ವರ್ಕ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಅವಾಗ.
Yes.
ಸೊ I think that's the takeaway I could see is you kept on going to that what inner calling
Correct.
was. Maybe
Correct.
during ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನೋ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಅ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಯು ವೆರ್ ಓಕೆ. ನಾವು ಆ ತರದ ಅಪಾರ್ಚುನಿಟಿಗಳನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
ಅದೇ.
ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಚೀವ್ ದೋಸ್.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Oh, yes.
ನನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
Absolutely.
ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಈಗ ನೀವು ಐ ನೋ ಫ್ಯೂ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಾಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ಸು, ಡೈಲಿ ರಿಚುವಲ್ಸು ನೀವು ಮಾಡೋದು that brings you every day with so much energy, so much ಇದು. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಮೇಡಮ್ ನೋಡು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಎದ್ದು ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಡೂ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅದನ್ನ, ಹೇಗೆ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಹೇಗೆ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೇಸ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್?
Yeah. So morning, as I wake up and I do some japa ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಮಿಷನ್ದು ಜಪ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So I spend about 10 to 12 minutes with the japa, and that itself is very calming, and it kind of helps you to focus. And then daily morning routine, and then I'm out usually on my cycle. Off late because of a knee problem, I have not been cycling, but today I started again after a long period. So as I cycle, one is it's very pleasant in the morning. It's very nice, and it's an exercise, and it gives me time to plan out my day. As I cycle, I'll do this today. This will be what is, in the school. This will be, I'll be cooking this, whatever. I can plan it out properly. So there is no hurry, or there is no tension in the work that you do. And I've forgotten this. I couldn't do that. Usually, I didn't end up having any such issues. And I've got a very, very cooperative family. That is a huge help. My husband, my children. In fact, I was in the school most of the time. Before school, after school, I used to be able to do a lot of work over and above the school hours. I got that energy because one of the things was my family support. They never ever, none of them ever said, "Why was this not done?" or "Why didn't you cook this?" or you know, why such a simple lunch?" or anything like that. Neither my children nor my husband. And basically, one of the things I do, Ravi, is uh, whatever negative happens, whatever bad happens during the day, some incident that happens, some death that occurs, something like that, I tend to just cut off and delete from my mind because I don't like to have the weight of anything negative on my mind. I need to make space for constructive things, for positive things. Therefore, I very, very rarely carry any negative thoughts at all, which helps me to wake up smiling.
Wow.
And so, seriously, because I tend to forget many, many bad things. I can't even recollect so many bad things that happened. So, that gives me a lot of energy, really gives me a lot of energy. And by God's grace, physical fitness has always been there. So I have not had many health issues because health issues can really pull a person down, can really make you feel sick and feel bad and feel so, the whole world is why does this happen to me kind of. So fortunately, since I have fairly good health, I have not suffered any such, bad things. So yeah, that's how it was. And I'm very, very thankful to the people of Gokak when I started the nursery school. And then when I went on to start my own LKG, UKG, and then when I took up the KLE, people have been so cooperative, so cooperative. When KLE started, we did not have a proper building. No parent complained. We had it was an old hostel. We used to do school in shifts. And finally, we grew so much that we grew out of the building also. Then the hospital building was ready. And we actually conducted the school in the hospital building for 3 months. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಡೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕೂಡಾಕೇನು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಜಮ್ಕಾನ್ ಹಾಶ್ ಕೂಡಿಸ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. ರೋಲರ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ರೋಲರ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಸಂಜೆಗೆ ರೋಲರ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ನಮ್ ಮೇನ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗ್ ತಂದಿಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಒಬ್ರು ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಏನು ಅನ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟು ಫೀ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನೀವು ಕೆಳಗ್ ಕೂಡಿಸ್ತೀರಿ. ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸಾರ್ಟ್. Nothing of the sort. So that kind of positivity which I absorb from people, makes me feel really good. Maybe it was the faith in me, or maybe it was the faith in Kaylee, whatever. But nobody asked questions and said, "Madam, ನೀವು ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಕಾಳಜಿ ಇಲ್ಲ." That was, something that makes you feel so wonderful.
Madam, you touched a lot. I'll go on to one thing, andre, which brought tears in my eyes. Like the getting out of negative things. I think
Yes,
I felt like you are talking to me directly. We lose so much energy out of that.
exactly,
And
exactly.
ನಾವು ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ವಿತ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಇದು ದೇ ಪುಲ್ ಯು ಅಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆರ್. ಮೊದ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇತ್ತು, ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗಾದ್ರೂ ಮೀಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಅವ್ರ ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಇದು ಇಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಬೋದಿತ್ತು. ಎಲ್ರು ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ರು ಹಾಕೊಂತಾರೆ. ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್, ಬಟ್ ದಟ್
Correct.
ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಯು ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ನೀವು
Yes.
I want to go little deep there.
Okay.
It's my personal question as well.
All right.
How
All right.
do we see? Um, how do we slowly, or what are the type of ways we can get out of that? ಅಂದ್ರೆ okay, ಜಪ ಒಂದಾಯ್ತು. Is it meditation? Is it ನೀವು ಹೋಗೋ
Yes.
ಇದು, ಅಥವಾ for me seeing positive in you, I should be somewhat positive before I come to you. Otherwise I can tell 20 negative about you as well. ಆ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
Correct.
ಈಗ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು, ನಾನು ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ ನೋಡಿದೆ, ಅವ್ರು ನನ್ ಜೊತೆನೆ ಬಂದು ಅವ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈಗ, ಅವಾಗ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನನ್ನ ಬರೋ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಸಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಅಥವಾ ಹೌ ಡು ಐ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರಿಟಿ, ಆ ತರದ್ದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು?
Oh, yes. Yeah. For example, even my classmates, so many classmates who are in cities who are doing super well, and as you said, status note, they buy mansions worth XYZ crores and all that. So, but I don't think we should let that hinder our kind of thinking. Because one of the things, as I said, is the japa that I do, and a slight detachment from many things. It takes time to learn that. It takes a lot of practice to do that, to detach ourselves from not only material things, even from uh, relationships, to keep a distance. Don't be too attached, because last year I lost my sister. She went through cancer, and she went through a very, very bad time. And I was so attached to her. We grew up together and we were very, very attached. But I had prepared myself mentally that that was going to happen because she had cancer. So after she went, for some time, it was very bad. But then I got over it much quicker than I expected. Frankly, I got over it much quicker than I expected. So today I look at it that that was a release for her from her suffering. So that was a good thing that happened to her. Once you start thinking like that, then the pain becomes much less, much less. So that's one way of doing it.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿರೋ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಅ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಜರ್ನಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್
Yes.
ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಒನ್ ಡೇ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ದಟ್ ಓಕೆ ನಾ ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ
ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
ರಿಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೀಪ್
Practice.
ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್.
Yes.
ಕನ್ಸಿಡರಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಲಿಸ್ನರ್ಸ್, ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು, ನೀವು ಅಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಗ ಐ ಕೀಪ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ದ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್, ರೈಟ್? ಆರ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್, ಆರ್ ಟು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ you are taking care of more than 600 and 50, I don't know the count, but 100 plus from driver to ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನೀವು ಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಇದೀರಾ. ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಥಿನ್ ಲೈನ್? ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ನೀವು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಮೇಡಮ್?
Yes, there are some times when you need to be strict. You can't let everybody sit on your head. So strictness in the sense, if you get the message across, for example, just an example, a particular teacher has to submit maybe a lesson plan on XYZ day. And I need to make it clear to her or him that this has to be done by this day for a particular reason. If you reason out with the person, and if you are fairly, not lenient, but if you are fairly okay with that person, if she or he has a real problem of not being able to do whatever he or she was supposed to do, it's different. But if there was no problem and it has not been submitted, then in very clear but firm way, without hurting, it is possible to tell. See, you can make it clear to the teacher like this, that if you have not done this, this is the repercussion. Tomorrow, you are going to find it difficult to take your class. So put it from that other person's point of view. That makes things very easy. ಈಗ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೇಳಿಲ್ದೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ಒಮ್ಮೊಮ್ಮೆ ಸುಟ್ಟಿ ತಗೋತಾರ, ಹೇಳೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಮುಂಜಾನೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್, ಐ ಗೆಟ್ ಫೋನ್ ಕಾಲ್ಸ್, ಫೋನ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. Yes. So there is confusion, then I have to arrange another driver. So the next day when he comes, I explain to him very, very politely but very firmly that if he doesn't inform me, what is going to happen? Very often you make the person put himself in the shoes of the parent. Just say, ನಿನ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನೀ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಕಳ್ಸಾಕತ್ತಿದ್ದಿ, ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬಸ್ ಬಂದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿನಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದೈತಿ ಅಥವಾ ಕೆಲ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋದೈತಿ, ನೀನ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಮ್ಮ? ಸೊ ಇದು ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. This is how every parent reacts, and that I will not tolerate. So without losing my temper or without shouting and ranting and raving, there is no need to do all that actually. As a leader, you just need not do it, but firmly correct them, and correct them personal, one-to-one. One of the ways that we can prevent bad blood among our staff, and we can build up that staff, team building, is when you correct a person to person, not in front of everybody. Very often, that's a mistake leaders unfortunately make. When the mistake is told in front of everyone, then it hurts. So
these are all learnings. I pay yearly 5 ಲಕ್ಷ 10 ಲಕ್ಷ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಟು ಬಿ ಫ್ರಾಂಕ್. ಲಿಟ್ರಲಿ ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳೋ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ ಅ ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ, ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ದೆಮ್ ಅಪ್ರಿಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕಲಿ, ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಅದು, ವೆನ್ ಯು ಕ್ರಿಟಿಸೈಸ್ ಯು ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ಲಿ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್. ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಲೈಕ್ ಬೈ ಸಿಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ set for like 10, 20, 15 minutes. You are making me realize all of those. ಇಲ್ಲ, and that comes so naturally to you. And that is because you believe in those systems. ಅದು ನಾವು ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ. ಇದನ್ನೇ MBA ದವರು ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಹಿಂಗ್
ಹೌದು
ಹಾಕಿ ಅದನ್ನ
ಹೌದು
ದೇ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್. ಐ ಪರ್ಸನಲಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಯರ್ಲಿ, I pay literally 5 lakhs month yearly
okay
to learn this.
okay okay
I have a team who support. He's a mentor. He's a nice guy, and I learn a lot other things, but
true
same old things. Amazing. Idu, I have another 4-5 minutes, madam. I'll kind of
yeah
wrap off with some personal
yes
question and keep it more fun.
sure
What
sure
makes
sure
what makes you? What is the best advice you got?
best advice I got
Yes,
from anyone or from
anyone, anywhere, anywhere. Like it can be one word.
just live life king size.
Awesome. That's a good one. And you are leaving one. What is the worst
Yes.
advice you got? I'll trick you a little bit.
Okay. Worst advice I got. Okay. Yeah, somebody once told me, you are the principal of a school and you hold a big position. Then, when in public, you should not be, we went for a wedding actually. So you should not be going there and standing in the queue and, serving yourself. You should not be doing that. Somebody else should be doing it for you. And don't do that, madam. You said, I told that person clearly, don't give me such advice. I don't want anybody's, bringing a plate for me. Ridiculous.
Yes.
I mean, that advice was totally out.
Okay, one more interesting question. That's another, like you want to keep that the way you want it. That's how. One more one. ನೀವು ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಏನೋ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಏನೋ ಆದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್
Hmm.
ಏನ್
Okay.
ಚೇಂಜು ಅಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹೇಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು?
ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದಾವಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದ ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. Assessments on little everything that they do. Most of the teaching should be through doing. Most of the teaching should be through doing. Hands-on teaching and hands-on learning ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು ಅಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. End of the year exam, ಮತ್ತೆ mid term exam, ಮತ್ತೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್. Child does something, assess the child, finish off. That's it.
Wow. Wow. Amazing. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸಿ these are ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಮೆರಿಕಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋ ಥಾಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕಾ ಇದು ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ದ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ವೇರ್ ದ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್
Yes,
ಗ್ರೇಡೆಡ್ ಆನ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್
correct.
ಈಗ ಹೊಸ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ AI ಅದು ಇದು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. Your knowledge is not the thing. How you approach, how do
Yes.
you do is, I think. Madam, for the time's sake, I want to end it, but I want to be in touch with you to
Sure,
learn a lot.
absolutely.
And
Sure, sure. What is
I like, I don't care ಯಾರು ಎಷ್ಟಿದನ್ ತಗೊಂತ. It's ನನ್ಗೆ honor that I am getting to talk 30 minutes, 40 minutes with this reason
it
to
was a
you.
pleasure. Was a pleasure. It was a
And I
pleasure.
have so many other small questions as well, but I'll keep it for my next. It's
Sure.
amazing. You made me feel so good. Thank you for
Thank
being
you.
here. It's my pleasure.
Thank you.